how to get a messy center part or no part whatsoever. So I got a question from a viewer showing me a picture of Timothée Chalamet's hair. I've already done a video breaking down Timothée Chalamet's hair in the past, so check it out. But he said, how do I get that part that looks like it's no part? And I said, that's actually a pretty good question, because everybody is so hung up on getting a center parting because they want to have like the Leonardo DiCaprio haircut or whatever it is. And everyone's so fixated on getting their hair to look like this, meaning like a part down the middle, which honestly, if you're like a human being, a lot of natural hair patterns go that way, where it splits down the middle or it splits on the side. Everyone has a natural parting. You just have to learn how to find it. And I've done videos on that, how to find your natural part. So as long as you find out where your natural part is, then you're good to go. You can even make a new natural part. You could actually comb the hair, and when it's wet, and split it down the middle yourself and create your own part and then dry it that way. But here's the key on how to get a messy part. First of all, you need to have a lot of hair, right? A thicker consistency, a lot of hair, and it's got to have a little bit of length to your hair. So if your hair is really short and your hair keeps splitting or it keeps falling down the middle or it's pinned straight, then it's going to be a little bit difficult. Like Asian hair or Hispanic hair, it's very, very thick and coarse and very, very straight. So it's so heavy, the hair just wants to lay flat, But what you need is, one, you need the right haircut. You need some sort of layers. It does help to have kind of a wavy hair texture, straight to wavy, but thick hair usually works best. So as you can see here on the mannequin, I'm not really doing anything special. All I'm doing is running my fingers through it. So if you want to have some sort of hairstyle that goes back, and it comes down on the sides like this, without having such a definite part, use your fingers like a rake and rake it back like this. All right? If you rake it back and then kind of scrunch the hair a little bit, so it's raked back and then kind of scrunch, you're going to get a little bit of that middle parting and the hair splits out without it looking like you have a part. You could also take your finger and you can create almost like a zigzag like this. That's the old school kind of zigzag parting. That kind of helps separate the hair a little bit. But really, honestly, it comes down to having the right hair texture for it. Using your fingers like a rake, and you'll end up getting, hopefully, this result. Today was supposed to be a one scoop product review. I'm already getting sick of doing product reviews, but I'll do them whenever I want. I'll definitely do it on a Monday, but I just feel like I can bring so much more value to you guys than just talking about products, because there's 8 million things about hair to talk about. So I'll keep the tutorials going 5 days a week. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.